The smoothie diet. We believe there is no one-size-fits-all approach to a healthy lifestyle. Successful eating plans need to be individualized and take the whole person into consideration. Prior to starting a new diet plan, consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian, especially if you have an underlying health condition. Use the smoothie diet. By replacing some of your meals with smoothies will lead to quick and easy weight loss. As with so many weight loss plans, including restrictive diets like this one, the details are important. As part of a balanced diet, smoothies will help you lose weight. But ingredients, portion size, and your overall eating plan will make all the difference. A diet consisting of mostly smoothies, however, may not work for everyone as a solution for long-term weight loss success. For most people, 2 homemade meal replacement smoothies per day, plus a regular meal, may not provide the right balance of calories, protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats the body needs. Any meal replacement diet is tough to stick with for the long haul since these replacements often aren't as satisfying as solid food. While increasing fruit and vegetable intake is smart, some people may struggle to meet protein requirements on this diet without proper planning. So consider supplementing with protein powder. Recommended protein in description. On the smoothie diet, prepare and drink 2 smoothies a day as meal replacements. The smoothie ingredients vary, focusing on lots of fruits and vegetables with some protein and healthy fats. See out top 10 smoothie #shorts. You are also allowed to eat normally, 1 day per week, so long as the meals adhere to the low-calorie rule. We will call this a flex day, also known as a cheat day, but be sensible. Aim for a Sunday. This is a strict detox plan, replacing all 3 daily meals with smoothies for first 3 days. Then aim for 2 smoothies per day, and 1 solid food meal. On the smoothie diet, you'll consume 2 meal replacement smoothies, breakfast and lunch, 1 solid food meal, and a few healthy, low-calorie snacks. The recipes included in the smoothie diet contain plenty of fruits and veggies, tend to be low in calories, and provide important phytonutrients. Unlike other eating plans, the smoothie diet doesn't require carbohydrate counting, a food diary, or calorie counting. However, recommend being aware of the calories in the daily solid food meal. For weight loss, the USDA recommends a daily caloric intake of about 1,500 calories. Creating a calorie deficit is often the best way to lose weight successfully and sustainably. But a healthy daily calorie goal is different for everyone, because of factors such as age, sex, weight, and activity level. USDA nutrition guidelines suggest filling your plate with a balanced mix of protein, fruit, vegetables, grains, and dairy. That's for each meal, not just 1 per day. Health benefits. It is likely people will lose weight very quickly when they start the smoothie diet, because they are cutting calories. Remember, following a long-term or short-term diet may not be necessary for you, and many diets out there simply don't work, especially long-term. While we do not endorse fad diet trends or unsustainable weight loss methods, we present the facts so you can make an informed decision that works best for your nutritional needs, genetic blueprint, budget, and goals. If your goal is weight loss, remember that losing weight isn't necessarily the same as being your healthiest self, and there are many other ways to pursue health. Exercise, sleep, and other lifestyle factors also play a major role in your overall health. The best diet is always the one that is balanced and fits your lifestyle. Make sure to combine exercise with your smoothie diet. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, we appreciate your support. If you would like to see our top 10 smoothies for weight loss videos, please head over to our YouTube Shorts channel. Also, see description below.